RPMs on the car. I'm driving the Paxton GT, and it has a 4C converter. So I'm gonna let you see how the car drives. We're gonna take some back roads and stuff. We could take the highway, but I'm gonna take some back roads. So I'm gonna let you see how the car behaves, you know, from stop to starts, and you know, accelerating slowly or whatnot. So just so you see how a 4C behaves on the car when it's just straight, you know, driving, and I'm letting the car drive. I'm not on paddles, me shifting it. When I shifted, the converter locks earlier and all that. When you're in drive, the converter kind of does its own thing, and it's different. So I'll let you watch some of that. But yeah, we talked about random stuff we've been doing the past couple weeks. I've been busy with the family and doing a whole bunch of other stuff. So let me see what has happened the past couple weeks. I kind of been driving my car around, just testing a couple things, testing the boost gauge. Just driving it around, listening to the BPV. I did some more data logging to finish up the tune on the street. Anita got the plate for the red car. ¿Es bien?
Ah. Mira, Pocho.
Mira,
porque se llama real.
no tuve que añadir un número.
Nice. Me gusta. Thank you.
We also went to Cornfed 50's house. I went and watched his first startup of the Paxton GT. He's a manual. He's a tuned by OZ Tune, and but he's got a fuel system. He's gonna be on E85, and he's got a smaller pulley too. So he's gonna be like on 15 pounds of boost too. That's gonna be crazy. What else happened the past couple weeks? Oh yeah, if you look at 2 Boost Extend's channel, you can see what happened to her car. She had a little accident with her car. Something happened, and then we modded back again. We put a couple of mods back, and car's running good.
Watch out, I'm getting a bunch of oil.
Where is it? Oh, right there. Oh,
You see it? You want me to get it? Are you recording?
oh yeah, I see it. Is that right there?
No, there's another big old hole in the block too.
God, yeah, look at that. Oh, whatever there.
I don't know what that is.
Hey, you got something on my engine down there?
I've never seen this before. No, it's time to come lunch now.
Yeah, it's gonna catch on fire.
That's how we fix it. Oh, I think that's done. There you go. Nope.
I hope he's in it still. Because I had focused it down here. You're in it still. It's actually recording on hyperlapse. I can speed that up even faster.
Can't really do anything. What's wrong with recording?
bought her car back. We did a little ride along. I forgot to bring the camera and get Marty's reaction, but I got her reaction on a little short drive around the neighborhood in Mexico.
Definitely a different beast. There was one down here on the right, so be careful.
What else? Oh yeah, we had Noah brought Jess's car one day. It's a supercharged GT. It's had a couple owners, but he has it now. It's a manual, straight piped. He brought it to the house because Noah was going to do some custom painting to the wheels and the calipers. Oh yeah. It looks so nice in the shade. It's funny how close I can get to the car and have the whole car in the frame.
Yeah.
They look pretty good on camera, Noah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah. So, Paxton 18 manifold or Pro Charger Boss 302. A little dirty. Also, I have some SVE wheels on with some NT05Rs. They're way better than any other street tire. Definitely grip. And I haven't showed those much, but that's why I need a new intro, because you know this car has different wheels. Front end looks a little bit better. The red car got some stripes. Got the BD wheels on that one. I'm gonna make a little fun intro with both cars, change it up a bit, put it up to date. If you saw too, when I went to get the wheels and tires mounted, there was this magazine just sitting there, and it was from the wheels I had on the blue car that are on the red car now. And I kind of started going through the pages, and guess what? Just stalls if I'm barely on it. There you go. I let go of the gas a little bit, the converter locks, and it's just on gear and it just keeps going. But if I hit the pedal just a little bit, enough for the car not to go over like 3,800 RPM, it'll stall for a minute. I don't know how like a converter actually kind of works versus versus the pedal, you know, how to get it to lock in versus stalling all the time. I know I can stall it up to 3,800 RPM, up there. But yeah, I know if I hit the gas and I take off and I kind of let go of the gas a little bit, the converter will lock, and then I can just keep going if I'm just cruising, you know, if I'm not smashing the pedal or anything. But if you look at, if I decide to hit it, this is a Circle D 4C converter on a 17 Mustang.
Oh, do I tell you? Do I tell you? I can't? Do I say it? Do you want to wait for the sheet?
I don't know.
Oh, he's gonna give you
You
a sheet?
tell me.
Oh, shit. I don't even remember.
Oh, you fucking kidding me.
Manual. It's got 3 pedals, 1 leg, sort of another leg. Will I be able to do this?